Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change background color on DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to change the background color on DuckDuckGo can help personalize your browsing experience and make it more visually appealing. And by customizing the background color, you can create a browsing environment that suits your preferences and enhances readability. For example, you may prefer a darker background for reduced eye strain during nighttime browsing. Or you may want to match the background color to your favorite theme or aesthetic. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open DuckDuckGo browser app. And then you can open a new website here. After that, click this icon and then select All Settings option. Okay, so in this page, click this tab. Next, you can scroll down until you find background color option. Okay, so lastly, you can change the color like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the background color on the DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.